The markets continue their uptrend as long as the indexes stay above the T line. We're in an uptrend. This makes the 200-day moving average the likely target. The Dow should be coming up to this level, which implies that there will be a few more days of uptrend. The Nasdaq is almost to the 50-day moving average, with stochastics not quite in the overbought area. So it will be wise to be very diligent to see what happens at the 50-day moving average level. Obviously, if it goes through, the 50-day moving average is not a resistance level, possibly making this level, the 200-day moving average, the next target. But because of candlestick analysis, we can see what actually happens right at this level based upon investor sentiment. If you see an indecisive trading signal here, it tells you that may be the first profit-taking area for this little trend, and possibly pulling back to the T-line. Candlestick signals, such as the bullish engulfing signal, followed by a doji sandwich in Netflix, allows us to be in situations where the uptrend remains strong with very simple analysis. You stay long until you see a sell signal and a close back below the T-line. Once it broke through the 50, then the 200 became the next target. RARE was a good recommendation based upon the bullish flutter kicker signal. This is a very simple strong bullish signal to identify. When you have a day where it opens here and closes down here, and the next day closes, gaps up and closes as a doji above the open of that day, we have a very simple rule, the doji rule, that the price is usually going to move in the direction of how they open the next day. The positive trading of this day makes this a very strong reversal signal. We call it the bullish flutter kicker signal, because if you took out this little flutter, you've got a kicker signal that is your strongest reversal signal. This not only helps you identify a trend that's going to be in an uptrend, but will help you identify which trends will have the strongest uptrend. Our recommendation on AMRN was based upon an indecisive trading range or trading stage, followed by a bullish engulfing signal, followed by a doji sandwich setup, making this the 50-day moving average your next viable target. We always ask the rhetorical question, do you always get big, huge moves based upon candlestick signals? The answer is no. But the nice thing about candlestick analysis is that it puts you in situations where you're going to be in the right place at the right time on big price moves. The same scenario was applied to our recommendation on TGI. Notice your bullish flutter kicker signal, and notice where it occurred. You got a bullish flutter kicker breaking the T-line, the downtrend, telling you there's a brand new investor sentiment in this stock. Now you've got a bullish flutter kicker, stochastics heading up. The probabilities remain pretty strong. You could move all the way up to the 50-day moving average. Because candlestick signals are the graphic depiction of human nature, which works the same way time after time, the Japanese rice traders have illustrated which one of these signals, or not which one, but the signals and patterns that demonstrate a major change of investor sentiment and allows you to get into strong bullish positions well before everybody else's technical analysis. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.